okra water. It sounds simple, doesn't it? Just a humble infusion of a vegetable that often gets overlooked in the grand tapestry of culinary delights. But let me tell you, this unassuming drink is a treasure trove of benefits, and it deserves a moment in the spotlight. You might be wondering, what's so special about okra water? Well, let's dive into it. First off, let's talk about the nutritional profile. Okra is packed with vitamins and minerals. It's rich in vitamin C, which is essential for a healthy immune system. Who doesn't want to ward off those pesky colds and flus? And then there's vitamin K, crucial for blood clotting and bone health. Just think about it. A simple drink can help fortify your body against ailments. It's like nature's little insurance policy, right there in your kitchen. Now let's not forget about fiber. Okra is a fantastic source of dietary fiber, and when you infuse it in water, you're still getting some of that goodness. Fiber is vital for digestive health. It helps keep things moving along smoothly in your gut, preventing constipation and promoting a healthy digestive tract. And for those who struggle with weight management, fiber can be your best friend. It keeps you feeling full longer, reducing the urge to snack mindlessly throughout the day. Imagine sipping on okra water and feeling satisfied, all while nourishing your body. It's a win-win. But wait, there's more. Okra water has been linked to blood sugar regulation. For those managing diabetes or anyone looking to maintain stable energy levels, this is a game changer. The polysaccharides in okra can help lower blood sugar levels, making it a natural ally in the fight against insulin resistance. It's incredible to think that something as simple as soaking okra in water can have such a profound impact on your health. It's like a little potion of balance, helping to keep your body in check. And let's talk about hydration. We all know how important it is to stay hydrated, but sometimes plain water just doesn't cut it. Okra water adds a subtle flavor and a hint of nutrition to your hydration routine. It's refreshing, and it feels like you're doing something good for yourself with every sip. Plus, the mucilage in okra gives it a unique texture that can be oddly satisfying. It's like drinking a silky elixir that nourishes you from the inside out. Now, for those of you who are into skincare, listen up. Okra water can be a boon for your skin. The antioxidants present in okra help combat free radicals, which are responsible for premature aging. Drinking okra water can contribute to a radiant complexion, and some even say it can help with acne. Imagine sipping on this green goodness and watching your skin glow. It's like a beauty treatment from the inside out, and who wouldn't want that? And let's not overlook the environmental aspect. Okra is a hardy plant that thrives in various climates, requiring less water than many other crops. By incorporating okra into your diet, you're not just benefiting your health, you're also supporting sustainable agriculture. It's a small step, but every little bit counts in our quest for a healthier planet. So the next time you find yourself in the produce aisle, don't pass by the okra. Embrace it. Bring it home, soak it in water, and let it work its magic. Whether you drink it for the health benefits, the hydration, or the potential beauty boost, okra water is a simple yet powerful addition to your daily routine. It's a reminder that sometimes the most unassuming things can have the greatest impact. So raise a glass to okra water and let it nourish your body, mind, and spirit. Cheers to health, sustainability, and the beauty of simplicity.